On April 4, 2024, deputies with the Harris County Sheriff's Office were called to a residence over a domestic disturbance between a sister and a brother. The sister stated that her brother was possibly under the influence of narcotics and had warrants out for his arrest.
My brother, he has a drug issue. I just learned that he had a warrant out, and he's at my house. He's not acting out or anything, but I know when he came back from his appointment, he seems like he's on some kind of substance and doing a whole lot. But I know he's been struggling with it for a minute. I mean, the court deemed him mental illness, and we've been trying to get him to go. He hadn't been adhering to his PO, seeing his probation officer and stuff. And he had a major surgery where he had his stomach cut open. And I know he went to the hospital yesterday and came back to my home high. So I know I just want him to get away from me and my kids right now.
Okay, where is he right now?
Recording.
Where is he right now?
He's in my house.
Oh, yeah, but where in the house? Upstairs, downstairs, living room?
I've been in the garage just trying to meet y'all before he comes out to see. So, yeah. He's most likely in the living room because he keeps going in the garage, seeing what I'm doing.
Okay, what's your room located?
He's usually upstairs in the loft area, but he's been on the couch.
Like that?
No, that's like this big, but he's been on the couch since I got home from work.
Any weapons in the house?
No.
Does he have a gun on him?
No.
You know?
He came with nothing. He was like on the street. But when I learned that he had the surgery, I let him come to heal up since he's been homeless.
When did he get the surgery?
I think it was 3/11 when he got out on the 15th of March. And I know it took a couple. He just got his staples out last Friday. And he was supposed to follow up with his appointment and see his PO yesterday. And when he chose to go to the hospital saying he was in pain versus going to see his PO. He came back high. So.
All right. Cool. All right. You okay with that?
He just came out.
Okay. We'll have you stay outside in the meantime.
Oh.
Where are your kids at?
Let me see if the front door is open.
Yep. Suddenly. Possession of a weapon. What? Who's right there? Hey, bro, come here. No, hey, no. No, you're gonna get tased.
Stop running!
Tased.
Get on the ground.
What y'all doing? Hold up.
He's not gonna hurt nobody.
Give me your other arm. Let me get on.
Give me your other arm. 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 You're gonna get tased again. Give me your other arm. Give me your other arm. Give me your other arm. You're about to get tased.
Give me your other arm.
All right, bro.
You're about to get tased.
Give me your other arm. Give me your other arm.
You're about to get tased.
All right. Please. Man.
He's not a harm to nobody. He's just
Bro. Why y'all doing this, bro?
he has mental health issues and he has
Man.
All right, hold on. The reason he ran, we don't know. The felony warrant that he has is for weapons. That's why. Okay?
He just had surgery for
Man, why y'all? Man, bro.
I got it.
Dang, bro.
Why'd you run, man?
Why did you run? Like, man, I don't know. I was just shooting. Just people all the time. Oh, Lord. Yes, you do right time. I just had surgery, bro.
Yeah, you already know how that goes. You know when you try to run, what they think is going to.
Channel 13 is clear to the channel.
Yeah, go ahead. Thank you.
Right, exactly.
Oh, I got you. You want to pull him out, do you know this?
Show me.
I mean, he ain't got to be able to. He ain't got to be able to sit anyways because they're right on his. Oh no, he'll be able to.
Have anything.
No, I know, but we still gotta check, man. So.
Y'all doing y'all job.
Oh shit.
They're disconnected.
Not having disconnected. Y'all could teach it all. Son, look, man, look at my stomach. Look, bro. Look, I'm bleeding now, bro. I'm bleeding, but I don't know who y'all is. Y'all just know. You know who we were. Bro, the baby said, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. The baby said robbers out there.
See what I'm wearing?
I
You see what I'm wearing? You knew who
I ain't pay attention.
So robbers aren't right. He's gonna
Listen, the baby. Listen. But the bit now, cause she was gone. I don't know what she was. She was on the phone the whole time. I don't know.
So you knew where she was at? You just said she was on the phone.
Listen, I ain't got no reason to run.
So why'd you run?
I got no reason to run because I'm spooky. I'ma just keep it real.
Okay, if you had no reason to run.
Nothing, bro.
Get your gloves?
Yeah.
Off his ass.
Man, y'all can't be doing that, bro. I ain't got nothing on me. Look, squat.
No, chill.
Maybe try and get the profile.
Try and get the profile. If you want to sit or you want to send the whole time.
Left cheek. Left cheek.
Hold on. Don't move. Hold on. I'm trying to take it out.
All right.
I'm trying to take it out. It'll be quick. I'm about.
Take it out.
Hold on. I'm trying to take it out.
All right, go
It'll
ahead.
be one pull. Got it?
Go ahead. That shit hurt.
Got the other one.
No, you gotta work out.
All right. Hold on. You got a knife on? Can you cut this? Because you're going to have to go through his pants again. Oh, never mind. Got it.
Pull back.
Oh, hey, do you want? Nah.
Probably EMS. EMS is already.
No, Mary 12 is calling me, so pretty sure he's got one. Oh, shit. I got it.
Got evidence back?
Yeah, I got some in the car. Get some.
All right, don't worry. EMS is gonna come. They're gonna check you out. Go ahead.
Come on, man. Come on, dog.
Put your other
Hey, bro.
John 5 Stimulate Burger Habitation Reference 138.
No, the ambulance. Yeah.
It's gonna be a minute. Y'all can go back inside. Say again?
Don't make her.
So,
Yeah, they're gonna check him out.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because he had just had surgery with about a weeks ago, He really needs mental health and substance abuse. I know he got the warrant for the pill and stuff, but I know the last time he went to court, they deemed him with a mental illness, and he haven't been with I don't know if that's what the PO was gonna try to set up.
He's got the felony for failure to appear for that weapon. So due to the fact that it's, the crime that occurred,
Right.
yeah, I know it sounds bad, but it trumps the mental. Due to the crime. But even though once he gets to downtown, he'll be checked out.
So what we need to call, go up there and try to express it that he needs that extra help. While
No, he should be able to pull his
okay.
Yeah, once he gets to the hospital, they'll be able to pull all that stuff up, since, the HIPAA and all that stuff, they're the only ones that'll be able to see that.
So what do you have stomach surgery for?
He had
Charles 5A, can I get a first available record?
in his stomach.
Oh, okay.
But it's due to the substance.
Yeah.
What substance he used?
Parkway and Friends, Western Parkway and Friends.
Was there was amphetamine in the system.
Methamphetamine?
I'm not sure. What he actually takes, I don't know.
You never asked him?
He ain't gonna tell me. It's been a battle for a decade, for about almost a decade, trying to get him
Charles 5A, no more records.
to get a decade.
Mom, you don't know?
No more records, Western Parkway and Friends.
You don't know what he used?
Western Parkway and Friends.
I don't know what it is. I never see.
44 Charles 6 for my Sacramento traffic.
I don't know.
Peel for him?
Next question, sir.
Alright.
He doesn't have any in the house, dude.
44 Charles 12.
I don't know.
So you got kids in the house?
Yeah, he better not.
Can you share my current call report and show me another BMV reference 591?
Why do you do that?
That's it. Please, still want to 46 went to it? Oh, yes.
We got a guy right here. We got tased. Second.
I said, alrighty.
And then he had stomach ulcer surgery about a week ago. So he has like staples or stitches.
Taken out about a week ago.
About a week ago.
About a month ago.
Hey, Castano.
He's on board with the air.
You gotta unlock it.
Taser.
All right, man. Keep legs in. Keep legs in. Legs in, man. Legs in. All right, so they're gonna check you inside here, man. Y'all want them to stay right here?
Are they still in them?
No, we couldn't. Oh, okay.
Nah, they're not in them anymore. So you gotta just tase it. Lean over that way, towards that way.
Stomach bleeding, though.
I understand that, but lean over towards that way so they can look at your back. No. Lean towards that way, the other door. Like stay on this side, lean so we can see your back.
All right. Man.
So the rest of the footage is just the guy getting checked out by the paramedics and getting transported to the jail, so let's discuss what happened. 35-year-old David Holmes Jr. was arrested on one misdemeanor case of interfering with the duties of a public servant. The case was dismissed, as were 9 other cases that had been brought against this man. Since this incident, he was arrested again for criminal mischief, with those charges being dismissed as well. The reason crime happens is because our criminal justice system wants it to happen. This case and almost every other case on this channel involves someone who has an extensive criminal history, with little to no punishment. Crime is something we allow. It's really sad. But hey, at least the paramedic is cute. Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.